Hey, what's up everyone? Have you ever accidentally deleted important files? Photos, videos, documents, gone in seconds, and you realized you deleted the wrong one? Don't panic, because in most cases, your data is still recoverable. Whether it's accidental deletion, formatting, system crash, or even a corrupted drive, data loss happens to everyone. The good news is that it is super easy to recover, and you don't need to be a tech expert to fix it. Today, I'll show you how to recover deleted files on Windows in just 3 simple steps using a powerful data recovery tool. And yes, there's a free download for this tool, so you can start with scanning your computer and recover your deleted files. This quick process is designed to make you feel confident in fixing data loss yourself. To get started, click the link below to visit Stellar's official website. I've partnered with them to secure an exclusive 10% discount code for you to use if you decide to upgrade after your free trial. Once on the software, select the location where your files were deleted, such as your hard drive, USB drive, or memory card. Scan the drive. The software quickly searches for recoverable files, even after permanent deletion. Preview and recover the files you need: photos, videos, documents, and more. Select the drive you want to save recovered data and open that specific drive. You will see folder name root. Open it and you will find your recovered file in that folder. What I like is that you can preview your files before recovering, so you can confirm exactly what you'll get back. No guessing involved. You can download this software for free, scan your computer to find deleted files. And if it works for you, you can upgrade and use my exclusive 10% discount code to save money. Now this video contains affiliate links. If you purchase through the link in the description, I may earn a small commission, at no extra cost to you. It helps support the channel and future tutorials. In the following video, I'll walk you through how to fix corrupt videos, make unplayable MP4 and MOV files work again, so make sure to subscribe. Check the link in the description to start your free trial and grab 10% off if you upgrade. Thanks for watching.